Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Mostly sunny skies to start our afternoon out there across the Susquehanna Valley. Light winds, not nearly as intense as yesterday, but this is the calm before our next storm. Be prepared for the clouds to thicken up through the night tonight, and then by dawn we'll be dealing with rounds of rain and then another round of some passing showers with gustier winds later tomorrow afternoon. Currently in Hershey, we are at 40 degrees. Dew point sitting in the lower 20s with just a gentle breeze, so not a bad day. Yes, it is going to be a little cooler than average, but certainly going to be pleasant by early December standards. All is quiet right now on the radar. Let's zoom on out. You can see the clouds are thickening back up towards Pittsburgh and up towards Erie. There are some scattered light showers. This is the type of activity that's going to be closing in on us as we get closer to dawn. So mostly sunny, seasonal through the day today. Clouds start moving in after dark. Highs today will be in the mid to upper 40s. Lows tonight will be, I think, right around 40 degrees at midnight, and then temperatures start warming into the mid 40s as we get closer to dawn with increasing rain chances. And then it looks like we get morning steady rain, and then I think we get a break around lunchtime, and then a cold front's going to sweep across the Commonwealth. That will trigger a few passing showers, but ahead of that front, it is going to be windy. Temperatures tomorrow will top off in the mid to upper 50s. Wind gusts up at times could be up near 30 miles per hour. Here's a breakdown. The rain chances highest in the morning, but notice we get a little bit of a lull around lunchtime. Then the rain chances go up again. I think all of the rain is out of here by sunset. That's good news for a number of communities having their tree lighting tomorrow. Here's a look at that wind gust forecast. Notice peaking in, I'd say, the 30 to 40 mile per hour range, and then still going to be blustery as we head into Saturday evening, but the winds will relax Saturday night into Sunday. Light winds right now, anywhere from 5 to about 15 miles per hour. Temperatures starting to rise. A lot of the areas started off in the teens and lower 20s. We've now rebounded to 41 in Lancaster. It's 43 currently in Gettysburg. Milder air in the south, colder air in the north. No big temperature swings, but here's a look at the weather pattern across the country. High pressure sitting off the East Coast. Here's Saturday's storm, and then eventually as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, that storm out the Pacific Northwest will bring some rain our way. So watch what happens here on the predictor. Notice the sunshine out there, but then after sunset, here come the clouds from the west, and then they thicken up. By dawn tomorrow, we'll be dealing with showers to periods of rain, and then around lunchtime, we get that break. And then here comes that incoming cold front. Cold front moves on through as we head into the early afternoon hours. But by sunset, the front is out of here. The showers are out of here. It remains blustery until we head into Saturday night. Here's a look at that 10-day forecast. 40s today, mid 50s tomorrow with the morning rain, then afternoon showers. We dry out for your Sunday. Looks like we stay dry for Monday. Tuesday, spotty showers likely. Better chances for some showers will be around Tuesday night into Wednesday.